Hi everyone, welcome to another tutorial on the 22 on Sloan virtual campus system. Okay, so in this tutorial video, we'll be basically going over logging into the system for the very first time and setting up your profile. Okay, so let's get started. So you would have received an email from the system with your username as well as your password, your temporary password. Now, upon logging into the system for the very first time, you'll be prompted to change your password from the temporary password. Let's go ahead and log in. Okay, so once we've logged in, you'll be redirected to the password changing page. So you'll paste in your current password, which is the system generated password given to you, and then you'll enter your new password here. Now you have to make sure that your password is quite strong with a mixture of upper and lowercase letters as well as numbers. Okay, now once your password has been changed, you can click on continue. And now you'll be redirected to your dashboard. Your dashboard will just basically contain a summary of the courses that you've been enrolled for. You'll automatically be enrolled for the 22 on Sloan courses as they become available. Your calendar will also be synchronized according to the courses. We'll come back to that in a second. For now, I just want you to click on your profile. Click on the top here and then click on profile. Now, your profile will provide a summary of the courses that you've been enrolled for. What we need you to do is just to edit your profile, but you need to edit your detailed profile. So you'll have to click on this gear icon on the top here and then click on edit profile. Once you've clicked on that, you'll be redirected to your profile editing page. Okay, then your name, surname, email address has already been entered. Then you can choose whether to show your email address or hide it from everyone else. Then you'll just put your city here. Country would be South Africa. Your server time zone will be Africa, Johannesburg. Description will just basically be the description that your business, your description of your services or products that your business sells, as well as maybe just a short description about you as well. So I'm just going to go and enter it here. Okay, once that's done, now you need to upload your profile picture. So you'll click on this file icon here and then click on upload a file. Then click on browse and then just choose the profile picture that you want to upload and then click on upload this file. Okay, now the picture description. This is important. So the reason why it's important is because search engines will use this to determine exactly what this picture is. So if it's a picture of yourself, you'll put your name in here. But if you're using your company logo, then I suggest you just put the name of your company here. Okay, additional names. If you have any additional names, you can enter them in these spaces here. Interest, you can put your interests here. Just type in your interest and click on enter. Add as much interest as you like. It'll just be displayed as a short bio on your profile page. We'll show you that in a moment. Under optional, you'll put in your web page. If you have any of these, like your Skype ID or AIM IDs, you can also enter them there. For now, don't put in your ID number. Your institution will be your company name. If your company has departments, then you're more than welcome to enter this in here. You also can enter your phone number here as well, and then the address of your business. Okay, the other fields, company industry, is very important. That is actually a compulsory field. You'll just put in your relevant company industry here. And then you click on update profile. Once a profile has been updated, let's just go and check. You'll see that my profile picture has already been uploaded here. Let's click on profile. And you'll see there's a short bio. You get your interest, department, location here, courses I'm registered for as well, and then your description goes in here. Okay, now that your profile has been set up, I want you to click on dashboard. Now dashboard will just basically show you courses that you've been enrolled for at the moment, and as well as activities associated with the course as well. And like I said earlier, your calendar will be synchronized with whatever activities are in this course here and summarized here as well. So if you click here, we see under the business process mapping and modeling course, we've got a workshop that's going to be taking place at 9 a.m. on the 25th. So let's go ahead and click on the course that we've been registered for. Now you see that under the course here, we have under the first topic, we have a summary of what's going to be taking place under this workshop. If there are going to be any additional handouts or course material, the course coordinator will upload it here. So just be sure to check in just before the course or just after the course for any materials. So this activity right here, that's a markable activity. This is basically a booking activity. So what you need to do is just click on that and then book the slot. So just to confirm that you will be attending so that the Sloan course coordinator can then print a register on their side and actually verify that you pitched up for the course. So let's return back to the course. Now that you've clicked enroll me for that slot, once the course has been completed, please make sure to click it as marked. This is the way that Sloan determines that you have also been present for the course as well, apart from the mark in the register. So once you click on this, you'll see that if you go to after you've clicked on that and go back to your dashboard, you'll see that the course has that segment has been completed. The activities associated with that course has also been completed. But for now, I'm just going to go back and uncheck that because I haven't attended the course yet. Another way you can view the course is by clicking on Site Home. This is where you'll also see other courses, upcoming courses that's going to be happening at the campus as well. At this point in time, you won't be able to access them because the 22 on Sloan coordinator will only open these courses as they finalize the course material from their end. So you see, if you try and click on the course, you cannot enroll yourself at this point in time. So yeah, and you can actually browse a list of courses that are coming up and then make the most out of it. So this concludes this tutorial, introductory tutorial on logging into the system. Um, Upcoming tutorials will focus more on activities and overall efficient use of the 22 on Sloan campus system. Thanks for watching. See you soon.